Hello and welcome. Working with the Java Streaming API can help you in many ways, but here I would like to show you how to use the collectors groupingBy method. This helps you to collect the elements from the stream in groups or buckets. We have an employee class that holds the name, the department, the position and the salary among other properties. The department class is pretty simple and just has a name in this example. The position of an employee is modeled with an enum that holds values for CEO, software developer, controller, and so on. The employee service class tries to simulate a certain data source, such as a database for example, that holds the data about the company with all the employees, departments, and so on. The findAll method returns 60 employees working in 3 departments, which are HR, controlling, and IT for now, and we can use that in our test. With that setup in mind, let's have a look at the following questions. Suppose we have an array list of employees and want to group them by their department. We just stream the list and collect the elements with the groupingBy method and supply the getDepartment method from the employee class as a classification function. We end up with a map containing the departments as keys and the corresponding employees as values for those keys. We can add more groupingBy methods by chaining them together like so. If we not only want to group by department, but by department and employee position, we can add another groupingBy method call. Have a look at the parameterization of the map that is returned, and it is easy to understand how the result looks like. Finally, we can answer this question. What are the minimum, maximum, and the sum of all employee salaries in our departments? Additionally, we used the summarizing int collector with the groupingBy method. Since a salary obviously may not be an integer value, this is not perfectly accurate, but I just want to give you a quick idea of what's possible here. This time we end up with an int summary statistics instance for each department and can easily check out the calculation results. There are many other helpful collector methods. Just have a look at the Java doc and check out what may be useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. In case you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you did not like it, a thumbs down. Either way, please let me know in the comments what you think. If you do not want to miss any future videos, simply subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to get notifications when a new video is published.